This video is going to be a back to school haul. Well, it's not going to be the regular back to school haul with the pens, pencils, highlighters, books. No. This back to school is going to be the digital edition where I show you all the digital supplies that I use for school note taking and just studying in general. So let's get into it. So the first item I got is this iPad 11 Pro. I also got mine engraved for free, and to go with it I got the Apple Pencil as well. The Apple Pencil definitely comes in handy if you don't want to lose that sensation of handwriting your notes. This is the Magic Keyboard that just recently came out, and I just use this to basically type out any notes that I have or assignments and papers. One thing I love about this keyboard, it's very sturdy. It has a very sturdy spring and very strong magnetics just to hold the iPad well and sturdy. The next item I got is this composition book looking iPad case. I know it's very realistic to a composition book, and I got this mainly because the Magic Keyboard does not fold over for me to write my notes, so I just got this in case I have a whole bunch of notes I have to handwrite. You can also fold it over into a desk stand just so your iPad can stand as well. So I love it so much. It has a Apple Pencil sleeve as well on the side, which you can just pop in and out very easily. To go with the whole handwriting experience on the iPad, I have seen a ton of YouTube reviews on the Paperlike screen protector. Just as the name suggests, it gives you a paper-like sensation when you write on your iPad, and the reviews are really great on the website as well. So I was excited to give this one a try. Moving on to the apps that I use for school in general, the first one being Notability. I use this app mainly to download all my PowerPoints and store them in one place, and for every class I have, I just download all my PowerPoints for each class for every week just so I can highlight as I am studying or as I am on a Blackboard Collaborate meeting with a professor, which is just easier to jot down notes. Another great free app is Onenote. On OneNote, I mainly just take all my handwritten notes, but since I bought Notability, I think I'm gonna switch over to that. The next app I downloaded is the Google Drive. I use Google Drive to mainly create folders for each class that I take every semester, and within those folders, I create several subfolders for assignments, group projects, handouts, and lectures. I use the Google Sheets for doing my active recall sessions, as well as to check off my spaced repetition reviews with the dates and just to track them before the exams approach. If you want a detailed video on how I go about studying in nursing school, it's also going to be coming very soon, so stay tuned. Last but not least is the Google Calendar app. I use Google Calendar to map out all the due dates on my syllabi for all the classes I'll be taking, and this just keeps me organized to know what is expected of me throughout the semester. The next app that goes hand in hand with Google Calendar is Google Keep. I use Google Keep to track my daily and weekly to-do lists for school, random stuff, and YouTube. That's it for this video. I wish you all success and good luck in your semester, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.